And this first solo presentation
that you already know the order.
I'm clever too.
Invite.
We just started the group recently when we were invited by the Learning Hub. That is when I went and formed this music group of our school. We've been doing the practices daily despite all the projects that we've been having, despite running the school curriculum. We've given all the best all the time.
Students who have participated in this kind of festival as compared to the other, they are really into this. They are encouraging us to keep on having it.
We call upon parents, teachers to organize more of this because right now the education system has shifted. It's not only about the classwork. What about what a child is good at?
Because of the competency-based curriculum, I think we want to understand or to get whether these learners have got some skills with them so that we can cultivate those skills, those talents, we nurture the talents so that in future they become holistic